How to use add member tag feature in WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the group chat where you want to add member tag. Then click on the name of the group at the top. Here, scroll down and go to members. In members, you'll find add member tag. Click on add member tag. Now, you can simply type in your member tag. Then press on save at the bottom. And when you type or text, the people will see the member tag above your name as well. And this is how to use add member tag feature in WhatsApp group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.